In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add reviews to Squarespace. Surprisingly, Squarespace doesn't actually have this functionality, so what we need to do is make use of a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the elfsight.com platform. Once you click on the link, this is the page that you'll be taken to. From here, head over to the navigation menu, which is where you will find this widgets button. Simply hover over it and then head over to reviews. Now, depending on the type of reviews that you want to add, browse through this large list of reviews widgets and go for the one that is most relevant for you. In my case, I'm just going to go for a random one because the process is pretty much exactly the same for all of them. Once you clicked on the relevant review, go ahead and create your widget for free. And then you'll be taken to the template section, which is where you need to decide which of the many different templates you want to go for. Now, on the left hand side, you have the template. On the right hand side, you have the little preview of what that template is going to look like on your Squarespace website. Now, bear in mind that there is a lot that you can customize as well, so this is not the final look, or at least it doesn't have to be. In my case, I'm going to keep it nice and simplistic, and I want to go for a standard floating badge just like this. Once you've selected a template, go ahead and click continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. Then what you need to do is go ahead and provide the relevant URL. That way the widget is going to know where it needs to pull the information from. In my case, I'm going to go for the example here because this is just a tutorial, but here you'll be given a brief description of what you can enter. And yeah, once you've added the link, here shortly after, you should see your widget displaying the relevant reviews. Once that's done, at the bottom here, you will see some more buttons appear. In my case, I don't want any AI generated summary, so turn that off. Down here, you also have filters and sorting. What this basically refers to is the way you want your reviews to be displayed. In my case, this is not relevant since I have a standard badge, but in your case, go through these. Adjust the reviews just the way you want them displayed and move on. Once you've done that, head over to the left hand side of the screen and here you have layout, header, review, style and settings. As you can see, you can customize pretty much anything to do with your actual widget here. So if you don't like the colors, go ahead and change the colors. If you don't like the layout, go ahead and change the layout. I'm not going to get into too much detail about these because I don't want to make the video super long, but just know that these are there for you to use. So yeah, take full advantage of them. Once you're happy with the way your widget looks, go ahead and click add to website for free. And then in a couple of seconds, your reviews widget will be created. Then you'll be taken to this page right here. But before you take to this page, you will be asked to log in into the Elfsight platform. You can either create a standalone account through the platform itself, or you can do it like me. I just use my Google account to log in. Then once you're all signed up and ready, go ahead and hit publish in the top right corner of the screen. And then we need to choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget we are creating through the Elfsight platform, we can go for the free plan right here because it supports one widget. However, in the future, if you want to use more than one widget or you want to unlock more functionalities, you will have to opt for one of the premium plans right here. But for now, let's go ahead and click on select here for the free plan. And then we'll be taken to the page where we can copy the code of the reviews widget that we just created. So go ahead, click copy, and then head over to your Squarespace website. Once you're on your Squarespace website, go ahead and click on edit in the top left corner right here, and then that's going to take you to your website editor. Now, here you need to decide where you want your reviews to be displayed. In my case, I want to create a separate section. Not that it actually matters for me because my widget is going to be coded into appear in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. But if you have a larger reviews with like actual boxes of people leaving comments, then you will need to create a separate section. So go ahead and click that. So as you can see, I want the separate section to be underneath here, underneath this image. Go ahead, click add section, then add a blank section here. And then in the top left corner of the section, you'll see add block. By the way, it doesn't matter whether you have a standard badge like me or a large reviews widget. It doesn't matter. The process that I'm showing here is exactly the same. So go ahead, click on add block, and then this window is going to open up. From here, click on code, and then this is going to add a code block to your Squarespace website. From here, click on the code block, click on edit, and then make sure that the mode here is set to HTML. Make sure to delete this first line of text and paste the code that we just copied previously. Then as you can see, it might say the script is disabled. This is just for the editor. Don't worry about it, really. Click on preview in safe mode if you want to see what the widget looks like. As you can see, it's all loaded up. In my case, I'm not going to adjust any of the sizing because it will already go in the bottom left corner of the screen here. So go ahead, click save, and then we can exit and preview what the actual widget is going to look like in a Squarespace website. As you can see, here is my widget in the bottom left corner of the screen. It looks super nice and clean, and I really like the look of it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add reviews to Squarespace. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.